Vlogmas day number 1. So this is actually November 30th, but I'm filming it a day ahead of time so I can upload it on Vlogmas day number 1. So yeah, for you it is Vlogmas day number 1. For me it's actually the last day of November, but I'm mind blown that it's already this time of year. So anyway, today I am going to be working on Black Friday weekend orders. It is Cyber Monday, so I might get a few orders today as well. I'm going to try to work on everything and have everything basically done today, with the exception of like if things come back in, like if orders come in after I'm done working today. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, it's a busy work day. It's a busy sticker day, but I'm hoping to get everything done because I just have a lot of other things to do for my business. This week I want to really zone in on the foil course. I know I've been talking about that. It's just been kind of a busy time of year, which I'm so grateful for, but I'm also just like, I just need to get this done. So I'm hoping to focus on that a lot this week, as well as we have Vlogmas, which means I'm going to be busy editing videos every single day. And then tonight when James gets home, we actually have to film the intro that you just saw for Vlogmas. Normally I don't do an intro like this, but James had the idea to do something more like this, and so together we came up with what you just saw as the intro. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. We were supposed to film it yesterday, but things did not go according to plan yesterday, so that didn't get done. So I have to do it tonight so he can edit it tonight and get that ready to go for this video. So yeah, busy work day, lots of things to do. So I'm going to eat my breakfast real quick and jump into working.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way, and oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences.
Okay guys, it is 12:12. Can't make this stuff up. It is 12:12. And I'm still working on orders, but I'm about to be done cutting all the matte stickers and cutting all the album covers for the the premium matte, not album covers, sticker book covers. Wow. I really need a nap today. And then I just have to print glossy. I also need to print packaging labels, Instagram labels, and I need to do one little thing for like the February kits that I forgot that I needed to do. So I'm going to try to get all those done. And then I also want to film 2 Plan With Me videos if I can today. And I'm just like, So I'm hoping to be done with orders within the next like hour and a half to 2 hours. And then the Plan With Me's, I don't necessarily have to film them today. I want to film at least one of them today, so maybe, but mainly today it's just focusing on orders because I just want to get them done, get them to you guys super fast, and I also want to make sure that the rest of the week I can really focus on the foil course and Vlogmas. And then also once I get the foil course done, I'm going to be redoing some stuff in my own shop, just making things better, prepping for 2021. So I'm excited to kind of make December my like prep for the next year, which is normally what I do anyway. But this year there's like really big changes. Well, I feel like really big changes coming to my shop as far as format and stuff like that. I kind of talked about this in my Facebook group. If you're not part of the Facebook group and you want to be, the link is always in the description box. We just kind of chat about stickers in the shop and that sort of thing. But I kind of ask for feedback on this, and I kind of know what I'm going to do. Announcements will be coming. I know a lot of you guys are like curious, like what's happening. It's not digital stickers. I did have somebody guess that. Although I do want to have digital stickers in my shop eventually. That's not happening right now. It's not like printables. I'm not closing my shop. It's literally just changing up the format of my stickers, changing how I offer things like a la carte versus like bundles and such. Maybe changing paper types, like those kind of changes. So it's still gonna be sticker shop. It's still gonna be my sticker shop. It's just, I've been offering like these full kits and a la carte stuff, and it's just a lot, and I end up having like random sheets of stickers in stock that are not gonna sell on their own, like if they're not part of a bundle. And just the way I do things, it's just, I don't want to say it's unorganized, because it's not unorganized, but it's not the best way to do things, I feel like, in my opinion, for my shop and just from what I've seen people buy. So I think that I'm going to change that up. I also want to do a whole functional kit line. And what I mean by that is maybe having digital papers, but not having clip art, not having like those really fancy decorative full boxes, just more like functional stuff. Because I feel like just this past year, I've become more of a functional planner. I think I've always been a functional planner, but I do enjoy decorative stuff. But I don't know, I just feel like decorative is just, I'm still gonna offer that stuff in my shop, but I also want to have more just like functional kits that are easier to design, and I don't know, just more, I don't know how to like put that, just more like functional, easier, easy to stock, easy to figure out. I also want to add in like budgeting and like a bunch of notes page kits that are not just like a full sticker, but that can kind of work in any planner. I've ordered some deluxe monthlies. So I want to like figure all that out, offer different sizes, simplify the monthly kits, because I feel like they're kind of crazy, and I still want to offer the same kind of thing that I have going on, but then offer something that's just like the header stickers, and maybe not like the sidebar or the piece that covers up like the dates that are not in the months, you know? So when I talk about changes, that's what I'm changing. I'm not, you know, I'm still going to have a physical sticker shop. So I'm not going digital. I'm not just going to printables or just doing digital stickers. And like, I don't see myself ever just going fully that direction. I might add those things to my shop, but as long as I'm going to have a sticker shop, I'm going to have physical stickers, because I do actually enjoy printing and cutting stickers and sending stickers out to you guys. I don't know why my dog is crying right now. But so yeah, those are just some of the changes. I'm gonna have a whole video talking about the changes once I get everything organized. But yeah, today is basically just getting orders done, so that way I can focus on the course later this week, and then eventually focus on reformatting stuff and moving in a different direction. Not like completely moving. We're still gonna have the same stuff, but we're also gonna have more, and we're just like expanding. We're just organizing and like, you know, reformatting the shop, basically. Not like reformatting the shop, but just, you know, changing up the way we do things. So I'm going to continue to get this done, and I'll show you guys when I'm packaging orders, when I'm working on the sticker books, because I think that would be interesting. But for now, I'm just going to continue to print and cut, and I'm not going to show that again because I've already showed that. And I just feel like that, I don't know, do you guys like seeing that? Would you like a full video of just printing and cutting? Because I have seen those videos on YouTube, but I just don't, like, are they interesting to you guys? Like, I don't know. I feel like I would get bored just watching the cutting machines cut. So let me know in the comments below. I'm going to go get to work, and I'll check with you guys later.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one...
And that's a wrap on Black Friday. You guys, I'm so tired. I really don't want to film this intro tonight, but I know if we don't film it tonight, it won't make it in the video for Vlogmas. So I'm hoping that tomorrow I have way more energy. I just didn't sleep like at all last night. So I'm a little like, I wanted to be like, I wanted Vlogmas day one to be perfect. I wanted to be like hyped, ready, all the energy, but I just don't have it today. I'm really tired, and it's just because I didn't sleep, but what can you do? So now I'm going to clean because I have a big mess. You know, anytime you have like a big sticker sale, your space gets messy. So I'm going to work on cleaning. I'm probably just gonna clean like the kitchen and the living room since that's where we're gonna be filming, but if I have time, I also need to kind of tidy in here too, so that way tomorrow I'm like ready to work, you know. Okay guys, behind the scenes of the Vlogmas intro, I'm not sure what we've gotten ourselves into, but hopefully we can get this done and ready to go so I can edit this vlog, but I'm going to show you guys the behind the scenes. All right, so we have our studio lights because like I said, it is so dark in here. We have our half lit Christmas tree. We have some presents over there that we're going to put under the tree in a little bit. We have like a ton of Christmas stuff. I didn't know James was going to bring everything in here, so that's
I can't remember which box
fun.
We needed was in.
And then we kind of decorated the fireplace. That's not what it's gonna look like, but you guys will see a whole Christmas decorate with me coming up in Vlogmas. But this is just our like quick little thing for Vlogmas. But like I said, we're gonna take all that down later and do an actual decorate with me. Dixie's super confused. James and I also have on our matching Star Wars Christmas shirts. Thought that would be fun. And I put on a little bit of makeup, but I'm really not feeling it, but honestly, we have no other time to film and edit this, so we just have to do it tonight, which kind of sucks. I wish I would have just done it over the weekend, but oh well. Because we're just assuming that Santa is a Star Wars fan.
I think there's some Star Wars things. We got like a Star Wars shirt.
I know, it's gonna be great because it's totally like
Star Wars
us.
cookies.
Alright, so we have the Star Wars cookies fresh out of the oven. They're hot. And they're falling apart. So be careful. I think they're like a year old, so I don't know if they're still any good or not, but you know, whatever. Time to get a cup of milk. Well, we wrapped on the Vlogmas intro filming, and in the process we completely like messed up our house, but I mean, that's the price you have to pay, right? So hopefully this intro is good because I now have like all this cleaning to do. Anyway, I'm going to get a head start on editing this video, so I think that I'm going to wrap up Vlogmas Day 1 here. Tomorrow is officially December 1st, and we can actually start our advent calendar. And you guys, I got a really fun one this year. I'll show you before I close out the vlog. You guys, if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with dinosaurs. So I saw that on Amazon and I was like, James, we need to do this one this year. for our advent calendar. So he ordered it. It just got here yesterday. I debated doing one today, but then I was like, it will screw up the countdown because December isn't actually until tomorrow. So we're gonna start it tomorrow instead. But I figured I would show you guys what to expect in tomorrow's vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day number 1. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me and leave a comment telling me something that you're excited about this Christmas season, or whatever holiday you celebrate this season, or if you don't celebrate any holidays, but still let me know what you're excited for the month of December and the end of 2020, because I want to know what you guys are looking forward to this month. Don't forget to click the bell notification if you want to be notified. If YouTube is even going to notify you, who knows, but don't forget to click it just in case they do. That way you don't miss a video from me. But that is it for Vlogmas day 1, and I will see you guys tomorrow for December 1st, Vlogmas day 2. Yeah. All right, over and out. We're out.